In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Brave browser. If you've ever opened a new tab in Brave and wished the page felt a bit more like you, this is a quick and satisfying customization. Start by opening a fresh new tab. On that page, look to the bottom right corner for the Customize icon. Give it a click and a customization panel will open with options you can preview instantly on the new tab page. You'll see choices for preset images, gradients, and solid colors. Preset images are curated collections that look great right out of the box, so they're perfect if you want something polished and fast. Gradients add a modern, blended look with soft transitions, while solid colors keep things clean and minimal, which many people find reduces visual clutter. As you browse, you'll notice Brave updates the background immediately, so you can quickly compare how each option feels. If you want something uniquely yours, choose the option to upload your own picture. Pick a photo or design from your device, and Brave will set it as the new tab background. For the best results, choose a landscape-oriented image with decent resolution. Something around full HD or higher tends to look crisp on most screens. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If a photo doesn't look right, don't worry. You can swap it for another image just as easily until you land on the perfect look. Keep in mind that very large files can slow down loading slightly, so balancing quality and file size is helpful. Everything you change here affects only the new tab page. If you also want to adjust the overall color feel of the browser, things like the tab strip, toolbar, and menus, head into the main Brave settings and open the Appearance section. There you'll find theme and color options that influence the entire interface. Think of it this way. The new tab background is the canvas you see when you open a tab, while Appearance controls the frame and accents that surround everything you do in Brave. When you're happy with your setup, simply close the customization panel, and your choices will stick. That's all it takes to give Brave a look that matches your style, whether you prefer bold imagery, subtle gradients, or a simple solid color. Enjoy your refreshed new tab page, and don't forget to explore the appearance settings if you want to carry that vibe through the rest of the browser.